Hello, my name is Roger Heckley and this is about how to create standardized PowerPoint based on Excel content. Goal is to have a PowerPoint automatically created with information from Excel, like titles, footers, text boxes with bullet points, formatted table ranges and charts. All this information can be combined on a single slide like this here. Don't miss to update the month name in a slide anymore. Just create a formula in Excel with the text around and the text is always correct. All what you need is an empty PowerPoint which has to be filled on a regular basis. This presentation is called by the Excel and filled with the updated information. Now let's go and prepare the Excel file. The text can be entered somewhere in your Excel, like here in the bullet tab, where we maintain also the text for the footer, etc. A formatted range object will be inserted as a picture. For ranges and charts, the position on the slide has to be maintained. This can be done either on the Customizing tab or beside the chart. Comments to a chart can be inserted within the chart and will be taken over to the slide. Use formulas to have the month name updated in your presentation. Also, if you have a conclusion, maintain them in Excel and the text will be copied to PowerPoint. So now let's fill the customizing area. Just let Excel know what you want to copy to where. You can copy text, ranges or charts. Define where your text, range or chart is. Specify the sheet and the position of a range, as you see here. For the charts, just say on which worksheet the chart is and what the name of the chart is. The name can be found in the Excel name cell of the chart itself. Also define the position of the chart, where this chart should be at the end on the PowerPoint. Now let's create the PowerPoint for the first time. All content is now copied over, and if you see some mistakes, just go back to Excel, correct the formula, text or whatever and rerun the PowerPoint creation. Now let's do some corrections and changes in Excel, like the formula of the month name, etc. And let's run the creation again. As you can see, the PowerPoint slides have now the updated information. This can be done as often as you like. I personally think this is very useful if you have standardized reporting in PowerPoint with content from Excel and you have to create this on a regular basis, like monthly financial reporting or project status reporting. Let me know about your experience. Visit our Facebook site and like it if you do so. The demo files can be downloaded by the link in the description below the movie. Have fun with this template and thank you for watching this movie.